folks, we're gonna try this bone stuff we got right here for our dog, and we're gonna give it a try. Let's check it out, see how it works. Let's give it a try. Looks like the other dog's having a good time eating his bone. Let's give it a try. What is it? Pork bone, natural gourmet brand dog treat. Natural gourmet pork bone for dogs are a 100% natural product made of right here in the USA. They are wonderful chew for your dog that will provide true taste pork that dogs really love. Let's give it a try. Come here, little one. This is the little ones over here. Come here, little one. Come here. Get it, little one. As you can see, it likes it. He barely can carry it. Here he goes. What are you doing? You like yours? That's yours, huh? That's your little bone, huh? That's your bone right there. No one's gonna take your bone. No one's gonna take her bone.